Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com, a food blog specially focused on Asian food. Today, I would like to share with you how to prepare chicken and vegetable stir fry, a dish that is ideal in all ways. It is nutritious, it is colorful, and it is quick to prepare. You can get the recipe by following the link right in the description below the video. Let's take a look how to make it. To begin with, cut the chicken meat, either chicken breast meat or thigh meat, into small pieces like this. Since stir frying is a quick process, so we need to marinate the chicken, otherwise the chicken will not have enough time during stir frying to absorb the flavor from the stir fry sauce. Therefore, we flavor the chicken with some salt and add some cooking oil so that it will not stick together, and some cornstarch to protect the surface of the chicken during stir frying so that they will not dry out. Combine everything and leave it aside for at least 15 minutes. Next, cut a few slices of ginger and coarsely chop some garlic for stir frying. Now let's take a look at the dry Chinese mushroom. This is a dry Chinese mushroom that has not been hydrated yet. It is very hard and dry. I have put it in water and soak it overnight. And now the mushrooms are fully hydrated. Remove the stem. Then cut the mushroom into thick slices. You may want to add other mushroom into the recipe. For example, today I have some button mushrooms, so I cut them into about the same size of the Chinese mushrooms. Besides the mushrooms, we have the following vegetables. These are the broccoli florets, baby-sized corns, carrot slices, red bell pepper cut into strips. Before we start cooking, let's make the stir-fry sauce. This is oyster sauce. We then combine the oyster sauce with some light soy sauce and some Chinese rice wine, some salt, sugar, and a little bit of ground white pepper. Then we'll take some of the mushroom water, the water that we use to soak the dry Chinese mushroom, to dilute it so that it becomes a sauce. This water is very flavorful, so don't throw it away. Instead of using water, use this mushroom water to make the sauce. There's one more step before we heat up the wok. Get some cornstarch and then dilute it with a tablespoon of the mushroom water to make a cornstarch slurry. This is to be used to thicken the sauce later. Blanch the carrot slices and broccoli florets in boiling water. At a 2-minute interval, add the broccoli and blanch for another 4 minutes. So all in, there will be 6 minutes for the carrot slices and 4 minutes for the broccoli florets. I blanched both of them because they are hotter than other vegetables. At the end of 6 minutes, remove all of them and put them into a pot of cold water to stop cooking immediately. Once the vegetables are back to room temperature, remove and drain. Heat up some oil in the wok over low to medium heat. Pan fry the chicken until it turns aromatic and slightly brown. Do not use high heat initially because the chicken may stick onto the surface of the wok due to the presence of cornstarch, but you can turn up the heat later. When it's done, remove and drain. Now we use the remaining of the oil to saute the ginger and the garlic. Use low heat so that it will not burn the garlic. And remove the garlic and ginger once it turns aromatic. Now it comes to the final part, and it's also the most exciting part, that is stir fry over high heat. So heat up the oil in the wok, add the soaked hydrated mushroom. And the corn. And then the button mushroom. The blanched vegetables. And the capsicums. Then add the stir-fry sauce that we have made earlier. The garlic and the ginger back to the wok. Add a little bit of mushroom water to make the gravy. Add back the chicken. And finally, thicken the sauce with the cornstarch slurry. And before you serve, drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. Turn off the heat and serve. It's best to serve with steamed rice just by its own or any kinds of Chinese noodles. This is how to prepare chicken and vegetable stir fry. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.